Okay, now we want to make the charts. I am going to start with the pie chart. I want the pie chart of my colors here, of my different M&M colors. So I'm going to highlight my data. So whenever you make a chart, you have to highlight the data you want to show up in the chart. I'm not going to highlight my name. I'm just going to highlight the data underneath it. So I start at the 2 all the way down to the 0. I go up to insert, and here are all the different charts. This one is pie chart right here. I click the down arrow, and you see I have a bunch of choices. I can do a bunch of them. I'm going to stick with the basic. Click on it. Now I'm going to move it down into this corner like I had on the example. I'm going to grab this corner here and just fit it in perfect. Okay, a few things I need to change on here. First, I need the title to change. So I'm going to just click on the title, highlight it, and change to My Colors. And I'm going to spell it right. Then I don't want this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down here. I want it to actually say the colors. So I'm going to have it actually tell it to put whatever is in these boxes to match the numbers that go with it. So I'm going to go right over here. I'm going to right click. See how it says I'm in the chart area? I'm going to right click. Right here is select data. I'm going to click on select data. Here's my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what I want to change. So I'm going to click edit. And I'm just going to highlight these. And then I'm going to click OK. And you'll see it already changed them down there. Click OK again. And I want to do that because if I change the colors, say instead of red we have purple, you'll see when I hit enter, the red right down here will change to purple. So whatever the colors change here, it'll change on my graph too, on my pie chart also. I'm going to go back to red. Now, if you want to bring your grade up to a 4, a good thing to do is to make these colors match the colors here. So instead of having blue be orange, I'm going to make that orange, and then I'm going to make red red and brown brown and yellow. Which one don't I have? I don't have brown, so I don't do the brown. Anyways, the way to do that is first I click on here, and you'll see how this is all highlighted. I'm going to click again, and now you just see the 3 dots which show me that I'm working with this piece of pie here. I'm going to, inside it, right click and go to Format Data Point. And this comes up over here, and I know I'm in the right place because it says Format Data Point. I'm going to click on the paint bucket. Here I can change the border. I'm not going to change the border, but feel free to experiment with it. I'm going to change the fill. I'm going to click on Solid Fill, and that is orange. So I'm going to go here, and I'm going to click on the orange, and now it's orange. Now this one I want to change. That's supposed to be red. So I'm going to click here, and you'll see now the 3 dots around it. So I know I'm on that piece of pie, and I'm just going to change the color to red. And then this one is yellow because I don't have any brown. So I'm going to go up here, and I'm going to change this to yellow. This should be green. So I click on it, and again, you can tell which piece you're on by the 3 dots. I'm going to go to, what is it, green? Green. And then I'm going to pick a better blue than that. So I'm going to go here, and I'm going to change it to that blue. And there we go. Other things I can do, if you look here, I click on the outside here. Now I can format the chart area. I can also click closer to there and format what is called the plot area. And I can do that. I'm going to show you gradient. Click on gradient. You see how it kind of goes from blue to white? That's a preset. I can pick a bunch of different presets. I can change the colors. So I can click on this middle one and change it to orange, and you'll see how it looks a little different there. I can change this one to, where'd it go? There we go. Black. and you'll see the black. And if I move it, you can see how the light changes, the color changes. So I can do all kinds of stuff there. I can do the same thing with the plot area. Out here, this time I'm going to do picture or texture fill, so I'm going to click on this, and it puts kind of a picture back there. If I click here, I can choose. One thing to be careful of is if you choose a darker one, now I can't read the letters. And a graph that you can't read what's going on is no good, so I'm going to click here, go up to the letter, the color, click that, change the color there. I'm going to go down here, click on that and do the same thing, and now we can read it.